Ta-da! Hi guys, this is Odyssey. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Germany. If you're new here, again, my name is Odyssey. I am creating vlogs about life in general in Germany or being a Filipino nurse in Germany. So if you find this interesting or if you know someone who is on a similar journey with me, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and of course share this video if you find this helpful. You can also find me on Instagram via hernameisodyssey_a. This is a requested vlog. The topic that I wanted to discuss today is ano ba yung mga kailangan dalhin pagpunta sa Deutschland. So this is already the waiting game. So finally nakapasa ka na ng BSV language exam and now you're just waiting for your flight papunta dito sa Germany. Of course, common question, ano yung mga kailangan mong dalhin? It feels like kailangan pagkasyahin yung buong buhay mo sa isang luggage kasi una, hindi mo alam kung gaano katagal ulit makakauwi ng Pilipinas and ano ba yung mga documents, especially ano ba yung mga damit na mga kailangan mong dalhin, ano yung kailangan mong i-prepare. I will cover all of those questions in this topic for today. So let's get into the vlog. Number 1, check airport requirements or yung mga documents na kailangan during immigration. For me, since during pandemic, that was back December 2020, I had to provide PCR tests. I don't think na it's still necessary these days kasi medyo locker na. Check the news once in a while para lang updated ka kung ano yung mga kailangan mong i-provide. Now, I will provide the list of documents na hinanap sa akin during immigration. So, taran! I would also suggest na have it in one folder para organize. I had it on my carry-on baggage para madali ko kunin ko ano yung mga kailangan ko pang ipakita during immigration, both sa Pilipinas and then yung pag-land ko na dito sa Germany, sa immigration ng Germany. Para at least ma-secure ka eh, you'd never know kung mawawala ba yung check-in luggage mo. It's a worst case scenario, but those things can possibly happen and you have all of those important documents with you. So have it in your carry-on baggage. Also, I just wanted to add this up. Driver's license, if halimbawa may lisensya ka sa Pilipinas, hindi siya gultig. Halimbawa, you can rent a car and use your driver's license for about 3 months. After that, it's no longer effective dito sa Deutschland. So, much likely, kung gusto mo magkaroon ng kotse dito, you have to get your own driver's license dito na sa Deutschland. Another thing that I wanted to add up, high school diploma. No, actually, hindi naman siya kinuha or tinignan sa airport, but just in case, since pagdating mo dito, you would undergo anerkennung for you to be recognized as Filipino nurse. Of course, gusto ko makapasa ka para wala ka na ng problema. But just in case hindi ka nakapasa and then you have decided to undergo Ausbildung, hahanapan ka ng high school diploma. So just giving you a heads up about it. Alright, so second, check the season or weather kung kailan yung alis nyo. If it's summer, for example, June, July, August, mainit yan girl. So dala ka na lang ng jacket. That would suffice. Spring is from March, April, May, and then fall is September, October, November. Fall is a little bit colder than spring, pero long coats, yung mga nakikita nyo sa Instagram, sa mga Pinterest, yung mga OOTD during fall, girl, yan, maganda yan. But if it's your first time experiencing winter, so it's from December, January, February, ito yung kailangan mong paghandaan. Again, dumating ako dito December 2020, so that's during winter. What I did is I bought one puffer jacket sa H&M. Buti, naka-sale that time. I also bought 2 to 3 pairs of Hittech long sleeve. That's from Uniqlo. It's pricey, but it's worth it. Es lohnt sich, how they say it in German. Kasi talagang malamig. So, make sure to have quality pieces para ipaglaban ka. I also check Shopee sa mga winter hose, like fleece leggings or like winter socks. Ayun, makakatulong yun. Bonnet. Magdala ka ng bonnet kasi malamig sa ulo. Tapos parang basta malamig sa ulo, tapos sa tenga. Promise. And then scarf. Si mama pinagawa ko ng scarf. And then the rest, for example, clothes, toiletries, shoes, girl, ikaw na bahala kung ano pa yung mga dadalhin mo papunta dito. But keep in mind that you can always build your wardrobe dito na sa Deutschland. Kasi, of course, yung mga gamit mo sa summer, hindi mo naman magagamit sa winter. So, na-change kumbaga every season yung mga damit mo din. Before I left, ang dami ko ding pinamigay na damit, sapatos. Binenta ko din yung iba para extra pocket money na din. For example, heels. Ay, girl, kalimutan mo na. Hindi mo yan magagamit dito. So, ang mga tao dito would be best in sneakers kasi nga, puro lakad ka lang ng lakad. So, at hindi mo gustuhin mag-heels na nagsusnow sa labas or winter, malamig sa labas. Ay, Diyos ko. Ay, magbublo yung paa mo, girl. Char. Ayun. And then, so, syempre, pagdating mo naman dito, like yung mga brands, for example, H&M, ay, akala mo ang mahal-mahal sa Pilipinas, nagsisil naman dito. Minsan, nagwa 1 euro pang. Dito ka na lang mag-build ng iba mong mga gamit or mga damit.
On how much you want to bring as pocket money, magkano ba yung kailangan mong dalhin? Please don't make the same mistake I did. Sobrang nawala sa isip ko na magpapalit dahil sa nervous and excitement at the same time. So, nag-withdraw lang ako that time sa airport before ako umalis. Then, nawala sa isip ko na ipapalit siya sa Dubai. Unfortunately, wala sila dito ng mga money exchangers. So, I have to go to a bank and deposit it sa account ng friend ko na nandito na sa Germany since wala pa ako ng bank account. So, sadly, nalugi ako sa palitan. So, please, 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 ipapalit nyo na po yung pera nyo sa Pilipinas pa lang kayo. And for that question, how much ba yung kailangan yung dalhin? First, ask your agency magkano yung wohnung or yung apartment nyo para ma-assess mo. There are some agencies kasi na shoulder nila yung wohnung, meron din namang hindi. For me, for example, we're paying 420 euro monthly. So, hindi yun shoulder ng agency. And then, palagay mo na yung grocery mo for a month since bago ka dito, might range from 200 to 300 euros. Sobra na yun actually. Ungefähr, let's say 50,000 pesos as pocket money. Na-receive naman namin yung salary a month after basta meron ka na ng bank account dito sa Germany. Another one, Germany Power Outlet. What they have is yung bilog like the one in this video. I always bring my travel power outlet like yung may iba't ibang saksakan, but just so you know anong klaseng outlet meron sila dito. If there's one beauty tool that I would suggest for you to bring from the Philippines, it would be hair blower or hair dryer. Now, you can easily buy this one from Rossmann or Budni pag nandito ka na, but this is really a must, especially during winter. Halimbawa, naligo ka, kailangan patuyuin mo muna yung buhok mo using hair blower or hair dryer before you can go outside kasi talagang malamig. And of course, other Filipino essentials. Since malayo na tayo sa Pilipinas, we need that comfort of Filipino food. It would be handy to bring yung mga pang-marinade or pampalasa like sinigang mix, barbecue marinade, tocino, longganisa mix, sardinas, bagoong, corned beef. Mahal yan dito. And for Tita Essentials, don't forget to bring your katingko, Vicks, Omega. You can put it on your checked-in baggage and make sure lang na hindi ka mag-e-exceed.
Also, on my personal experience, pag andun ka na sa waiting game, siguro most likely makakaalis ka within a month or 3 months time. Sulitin mo na yung time mo with your family and friends. Kasi in reality, hindi mo din naman alam kung kailan ka ulit makakauwi. You're very lucky if makauwi ka a year after, but for me, nakauwi ako after 2 years. So, just be patient about it. Okay na yung mga papeles mo, naghihintay ka na lang naman. So, take advantage of the time. Really spend quality time with your family and friends, and lahat ng namimiss mong pagkain, kainin mo na, girl. Char. So that's it for today. Again, this has been Odyssey. Thank you for staying with me and good luck sa journey mo dito sa Deutschland and wishing you all the best. Laban lang. Bye!